Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to fix PS5 flickering black screen. Go to settings from top right, then click on screen and audio. Then go to 4K video transfer rate from the video output. Set it as -1 or -2 of your screen is flickering. Now go to home and press the PS button from the controller. Then go to power icon from the bottom. Then click on turn off PS5. After turning off, go to PS5 and unplug the power source. Then wait for 30 to 60 seconds. Then replug it back. Next, unplug the HDMI from the TV. Wait for a few seconds and plug it back or plug into different HDMI port. By following these steps, you can fix PS5 flickering black screen.
If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.